The IELTS exam tests your English language abilities in 4 areas: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. We've already covered the speaking section in our previous videos, and with this video, we mark the beginning of our series of video lessons on the writing section of the IELTS exam. In this video, we'll tell you everything you need to know about the writing module. So if you're new to IELTS and you want to know what happens in the writing section, its format and its question types, then this video is perfect for you. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the lesson. The purpose of the writing test is to assess your English writing skills. No-brainer if you want to work or study in a country where English is the language of communication, then you ought to have these skills, right? Now, to make you understand what happens in the writing test, my first question to you would be, which IELTS exam are you taking? IELTS General or IELTS Academic? This question is important because an academic and a general student will get different types of questions. While the format of the writing test is same for both the exams, the content is considerably different. So let's first understand the writing test format, which is, like I just mentioned, same for both the exams. The writing test has 2 questions or tasks, Task 1 and Task 2. Both the tasks are related to general topics you encounter in day-to-day life. For instance, travel, environment, health, education, etc. No specialized knowledge is required to answer such questions. Candidates are expected to write between 150 and 200 words in Task 1 and between 250 and 300 in Task 2. Candidates are given 60 minutes to complete both tasks. The recommended time distribution is 20 minutes on Task 1 and 40 minutes on Task 2. Task 1 and Task 2 are marked individually. So this is the writing test format. You can see the structure and timing are same for both the exams. There are 2 tasks and you have to complete both the tasks in 60 minutes. Now let's see what these questions actually are and how general and academic questions differ from each other. For a general training candidate, Task 1 is letter writing. The letter may be formal, semi-formal or informal in style. Take a look at the sample Task 1. This sample Task 1 question is an informal letter. As you can see, it is a letter to a friend in which you are asking for some sort of help. In this cue card, there are 3 bullet points which you need to include in this letter. All letter writing questions follow the same pattern. Task 2 is an essay. This sample writing Task 2 is an opinion essay in which you need to give your opinion on whether certain subjects are taught better using computers. The other kinds of essays are discussion, advantage, disadvantage, direct questions and solutions. For an academic candidate, Task 1 is a summary in response to a particular graph, table, chart or process. Task 2 is an essay. As you can see, writing Task 2 is similar for both the exams. The essay is written in the same way and the scoring is the same. The only difference is that academic essay questions are a bit tougher than the general topics. This is Task 1. You can see a chart is given and you have to summarize the information given in the chart. Instead of a chart, you can be asked to summarize the information presented to you in the form of a graph, pie chart, table or process. You are required to report the main features, describe and compare data, describe a process and identify trends in factual information. And here's sample Task 2 where you have to write an advantage-disadvantage essay. The topic is about e-books becoming more popular than paper books. No worries, we will go through all these questions in detail in our subsequent videos. And in our next video, we'll tell you how IELTS assesses your writing tasks. So I hope by now you have got a good idea of what happens in the writing test, its format and its question types, be it academic or general. So that's the end of our video. We really hope this video was useful to you. In case you still have any doubts or questions, post them in the comment section. Keep practicing and keep studying. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.